Hey vlog. Hope y'all have been doing good. I've been doing a lot of schoolwork. So that's what I've been doing. I'm trying to wrap up my senior year, and I'm enrolled in like 100 of my community college classes. Not really 100, but I'm taking 3 8-week course classes. So they're really fast paced, and it's all I do. But right now, I am going to John's house because he has this like vintage, like 19-something Bronco, 60s or 70s, Ford Bronco. They treasure. They love this thing, and it's a nice, it's a classic, I guess you call it. But so he's with a couple friends, and they're trying to fix it up because the friends are like car gurus or something. I don't even know. They all love their old cars, and they all have old cars, and so yeah, I don't really see the hype, but I guess it's a hype to be. So I figured I would come and show y'all what they're doing. It's gonna be funny, I think, because I don't even know if they've got the car cranked up yet. So we will see how it's going. Hopefully they're in good moods. Okay, we just got here.
The two in the back left were
and there's
bad.
some
Two in the front
stuff
right
going
were
on.
bad. And
What's
these were
going on?
semi-good, and those were
pulling spark
turning out
plugs because we couldn't get fire out of them.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
Half the motor.
Yeah, so as you can tell, we made it to John's house. I don't really know if they're going to get anywhere today. Do you think we're going to get it started, boys?
We're not leaving until it starts.
What time did y'all get here this morning?
Dark a little bit.
10 o'clock.
What time is it now?
I don't know.
5 o'clock?
Yeah, close to it.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I want you to go down there and see if I got any raccoons in my traps.
You ain't got the four-wheeler back, dude.
No, my four-wheeler's been in
I don't
stock
think I'm
for
going to be
a
doing
month.
that.
I got a gun over there. You can go shoot them when you find them.
Wait, but aren't raccoons kind of cute?
Yeah, go play with it.
No, my dad had a pet raccoon. My dad literally had a pet raccoon when he was little. His name was Rocky. Rocky the raccoon.
I'm not surprised what Frank had over there.
I'm pretty sure it was a wild raccoon, too.
I didn't know that. They're all wild, aren't they?
Oh.
That's
a domesticated raccoon. All right, I realized that a lot of y'all might not know who these fine young men are in this video.
It's like state work. We got one person doing all the work here.
So I'm gonna show y'all who's in the video. I missed it. Lord, please let it work.
I ain't gonna bite.
Okay.
This is cute.
I'm videoing.
You need to get up here where you can see.
Okay.
All right.
What are we doing?
Watch for a spark right there.
Oh, right here. Wait, isn't that gonna make your hand like?
No,
You gotta hold it on something.
no, it should spark right in here, shouldn't it?
It should, but
Let's watch it.
sometimes
Let's
they're
watch it.
questionable.
Okay. We'll back up a little.
I ain't getting nothing off that.
Well,
Let's try it down here.
that sucks.
Go ahead.
Look, watch right in between.
I'm watching.
For the viewers, watch right in between that gap.
Battery for the vlog.
Oh.
Turn it over. This is educational opportunity for people who are watching this.
Yeah, John.
That's
Okay.
fair.
Wait, so what is this? You gotta tell the viewers.
This
what
is
it
a spark plug.
Oh, right.
That's how you
I'm sure they know that.
See that spark in there? Yeah, you seen it.
I heard it. I didn't see it, but I
You
heard
can
it.
see it on the vlog.
Okay,
It's
good.
on the vlog. It's documented.
It's
We
documented.
do have time.
Y'all got anything you want to say to your buddies back home?
My buddies ain't gonna watch this.
Spinny watched it.
Alright.
Because Spinny said he didn't like the snowboard vlog.
Spinny's gonna shit himself when he sees this.
You gotta keep that in the video.
There's gas in the gas tank, but it's not making it to the motor.
Well, so shouldn't you like look at that tube that it's in?
We've already replaced part of that.
Almost the whole time.
I'm looking
Okay.
at
So what's that? That's not pee, right?
Yeah, actually, I got a little
Got a little carried away earlier.
carried away earlier.
Y'all need to light.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie. Well.
We want to discuss next steps for next time.
Run back in.
I'm doing really good at.
It's
I'm
like
twisting
there's
the.
a
I'm
valve
twisting
that's
the
supposed
key,
to close.
like turning the
It's not
battery.
closing.
I don't even know what I'm turning on, to be honest. But they're trying to do something up there. I don't really know what.
Because it's pulling the gas up, but we're not holding it, so it's running back down.
This is a. It's a pretty old car, as you can tell. Got some wires just hanging around. Whatever that thing is. Is that a radio? Like, what even? Look, I mean. Okay, show y'all some pictures. This car has worked in my existence before. Like, I've ridden in it when it was working. I'll put some pictures of me driving it. However, there is no side mirror over here. And yeah, that's about it. I think there's a top for it, but now it's just this soft cover. My hands are cold. Oh look, there's Will coming around.
It's not looking good. About a
Amazing things.
14.97% chance it runs tonight.
It's very specific.
Scientific.
Oh, it's not.
Cost of living ain't nothing like the cost of living high. Might have to edit that on
Yeah.
the video. Remember our old theory?
To let the air not come back through.
Yeah, and then when it starts going, just
It's not
put it in the bottom.
push up. It's going to compress the air.
Let it.
It's going to compress the air.
Yep.
Well, actually, the proper way.
Of the what? John, this light looks really good on you right now. All right, vlog. It's looking like we're not gonna get this Bronco started tonight.
Can I have this water?
So, I mean, it was a good try, but I don't think it's gonna happen. We're going back in. It's moving, you know. We did something. Oh, that is beautiful. Beautiful sound.
At least she's not allergic.
What, John?
Look.
You're supposed to be
right
in
there.
it. Yeah, we're closing it out. You gotta help me close it out.
Bye.
No,
That's what
we gotta be like, well, we didn't fix the Bronco. We tried.
We put a new fuel pump on it, new spark plugs, some new fuel lines, a fuel filter,
it's close. It doesn't have enough
and
battery.
it's close.
That's the
We
problem.
gotta charge the battery.
Okay.
Tell everybody that's the only problem.
Wait, what's the only problem?
Only problem is it don't have enough battery juice, and as soon as we get the battery juice,
Yeah,
it's all downhill from there.
it's all downhill from there.
Trust in the Lord, not in the Lord.
leave it.
Ooh, that's good. I don't have to put that in there.
Key. That's why you gotta be a Chevrolet man.
I'm Will Kime,
Will fuel
and I approve. No, that's on the other side. And I approve this message.